These are normally really expensive, and I'm not sure how Shark's doing this, but you can get $3.50 off their best-selling 2-in-1 Matrix robot. And this is the one that comes with the self-emptying bagless canister, which means 30 days of hands-free vacuuming and mopping. This is gonna use 360 LiDAR to map out your entire house room by room, and then you can schedule all of your cleanings directly in the app. You can tell it where to clean, where not to clean. It's even intelligent enough to detect and avoid obstacles throughout the house, and it's gonna clean in the precise Matrix grid-like pattern, so it's not gonna miss any spots. And it uses the clean edge detect, so it forces air into the edges and corners to blow everything out so it doesn't leave any debris behind. It's got a sonic mop head on the bottom which scrubs your floors 100 times per minute, and it's intelligent enough to detect when it switches from hardwoods to carpets, so it's gonna lift the mop head up so it doesn't get your carpets wet. So if you want a premium 2-in-1 robot vacuum at nearly an entry-level price, this is definitely the one to get. But I'm not sure how much longer they're gonna have those coupons, so I'm gonna go ahead and link it right down here so you can check it out.